In a significant escalation of the US-China trade war, the US government has blacklisted over 50 Chinese companies, citing national security concerns and a bid to curb Beijing's rapidly advancing artificial intelligence (AI) and chip capabilities. This move is expected to have far-reaching implications for China's tech sector, as well as the global supply chain. Targeting China's tech giants. The blacklist includes some of China's most prominent tech companies, such as Hikvision, ZTE, and Inspur Group. These companies are major players in the fields of AI, surveillance technology, and semiconductor manufacturing. By restricting their access to US technology and components, the US government aims to slow down China's technological advancements and protect American national security interests. Export restrictions. The blacklisting of these Chinese companies means that they will be subject to strict export restrictions. US companies will be prohibited from selling or transferring technology, software, or components to these blacklisted entities without obtaining a special license. This move is likely to disrupt the global supply chain, as many of these Chinese companies are deeply integrated into the production networks of major US tech firms. China's response. China has already responded to the US move, accusing the US government of abusing export controls and unfairly targeting Chinese companies. Beijing has vowed to take necessary measures to protect the interests of its companies and maintain the stability of the global supply chain. Implications for the global tech industry. The US blacklisting of Chinese companies has significant implications for the global tech industry. The move is likely to disrupt the global supply chain. The restrictions on US exports to blacklisted Chinese companies will force many US tech firms to reevaluate their supply chains and find alternative sources for components and technology. Escalate the US-China trade war. The blacklisting of Chinese companies is likely to further escalate tensions between the US and China, potentially leading to more retaliatory measures and trade restrictions. Impact the development of AI and chip technologies. The restrictions on US exports to Chinese companies will likely slow down China's development of AI and chip technologies, potentially giving the US a temporary advantage in these critical areas.